singing, not only Carnatic music, but any type of music, it's important that you either stand straight or sit straight to allow the air to come out of your body. Your mouth, should it be open or closed if you're trying to sing? Open. The air is coming out from inside out of your mouth, so you have to keep your mouths nice and open and sing freely with a very relaxed jaw. Shall we try it? Relax your jaws. Let's relax our jaws. Sa. So whenever you sing with an open mouth and you project the air coming through and you make sure you're listening to your pitch, so you sing a note. Now, shall we sing the first 𝗬𝗰𝗃 one more time? With Adi Tala. How many beats is Adi Tala? 8 beats. What are the 3 parts of a Tala cycle?
Laghu, Anudruta and Druta.
Adi Tala uses only 2 of these parts. Which are those 2 parts?
Laghu, Druta and again one more Druta.
Okay, so let's count that and see if we can figure out. Where is the Laghu? Where is the Laghu? Which is the Laghu?
So one beat, the finger counts, is called as Laghu.
So Laghu in this Tala is the first 4 beats, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And our Druta is?
1, 2.
And we have 2 Drutas.
2.
So 4 plus 2 plus 2 gives us 8 beats for Adi Tala. Let's count our Adi Tala once together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Now let's sing our 𝗬𝗰𝗃 again, the first one. Before we start, let's listen to the tanpura, the electric tambura or the acoustic tambura if you have one, to find your sa. Sa. Okay, the first 𝗬𝗰𝗃, start, sing with us. Sa, ri, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa, sa, ni, da, pa, ma, ga, ri, sa. Let's sing the second 𝗬𝗰𝗃 together. Sa, ri, sa, ri, sa, ri, ga, ma, sa, ri, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa, sa, ni, sa, ni, sa, ni, da, pa, sa, ni, da, pa, ma, ga, ri, sa. Now, whenever you're alone and you want to practice your music, these are a few things you should remember. Whenever you sing, make sure you're either standing straight or singing straight so that you have a nice place to pass your air from. Where do you store your air? In your lungs. Make sure you take a deep breath. Make sure your mouth is open and you sing a beautiful note in pitch.